Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video today. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mackenzie and I upload DIY and sewing tutorials every single week, and I do them with my dog Jack. He is usually in all my videos, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make scrunchies. So Jack is wearing one right now. I don't think Jack cares for the scrunchies too much. So I'm going to show you guys how to make these awesome scrunchies. They are so great for the summertime when it's hot out and you just want to pull your hair back or your wig like I'm wearing. You can do pigtails, you can do ponytails. So these are just really easy to make. I am still stuck in the 90s. I'm a 90s baby, so I love scrunchies. Scrunchies are back in style, so I thought I could make a tutorial showing you guys how to make your very own. You can pick whatever material you want for this tutorial, it doesn't matter. I chose this metallic fabric from Joann, and it was pretty expensive, but you don't need a lot of fabric for this tutorial, so ended up costing me not that much. And we're starting right now. For this tutorial, you will need less than half a yard of fabric, and you will need fabric scissors, and then you will need really thin elastic. I'm going to be using one of my scrunchies that I already own as a guide. Now I'm going to measure how long I want my elastic to be. Turn your fabric right sides together and measure how long you want your scrunchie to be. Then cut it. If you want to make 2 scrunchies, then just do the exact same steps that I just showed you. I made my scrunchies a little too wide, so now I'm just going to go back and make them a little bit thinner. So I made some adjustments to the scrunchies. I ended up making them a lot less shorter and a lot less wider. But it's up to you however you want to do them. Pin both right sides together. Now you'll just sew it where you pinned. Now turn your fabric inside out. Attach a safety pin on the end of your elastic, and then you'll just pull it through the fabric. This may not be the way that everyone does it, but this is how I do my scrunchies. And what I do is I just sew both sides together and sew the elastic together. And don't forget to backstitch. Make sure to cut off your excess fabric. And you're all done with your scrunchies. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please hit the like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I upload DIY and sewing tutorials every single week, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thank you guys so much.